Okay. Hello, guys. So we are looking at one punch in automation over here. So let us log in first. Okay. Then we'll go to show file. Here we'll have to enter the stockist details for the ease of user interface over here. What we have done is, if you select any stockist name, then stockist code will appear, and you can even type it whatever you want. For example, if I type Amar over here, so I get Amar Pharma, and Amar is also in here inside the Samarth. So we'll just click the Samarth, the stockist code will appear, and the vice versa is also true. Like you can see over here, if I type 512 and I select something, then Desai Pharma distributor will come. So uh, after this, we'll just upload a file. Okay, as you can see, I have clicked save file. Just wait for a few seconds over here, and then you will get this table over here, and it is basically divided into one is the header part, which is the first row, which is very important for us to map the different columns and the data it is holding, and all the data and values, as you can see, uh, under these product name, under these headers names. What we have done is we have made five. We have selected basically five headers as necessary to submit any table basically. So as you can see, if I click the submit, it will show me that purchase quantity and sale quantity has not been selected, and it is the necessary information. So if you click OK, let us go through the headers, all the headers first. So you'll see that product name has been automatically selected by the AI over here. The same is case with opening quantity. So that is why it has come inside the green box. On the right side, you can see yes, closing quantity has also come. It has been automatically selected. Now peak quantity, if the user knows that peak quantity is purchase quantity, then he can select it like purchase quantity. And even if he goes for the submission, then you'll see that the sale quantity is still remaining. Now we'll save the set the sale quantity over here. After this, let us come to the products name, product suggestion, uh, uh, and why it is showing in some products suggestions are showing in green and some are in red basically. So in the red case, as you can see, these products basically have not been previously mapped. As I can tell you, these green products have been previously mapped in one or other file. What had happened, that if a user has selected add-on plus tab, this is basically the input, and the suggestion is shown in green. And for the input add-on plus tab 10s, the user had previously selected add-on plus tablet, and that is why basically, and he saved the file, and that is why basically it is coming in green. But if there is an error, for this we have also provided select code over here. You can choose basically OD tablet, and you can map the product in a new way altogether, so there is no issue. As you can see, OD tablet has come here. It is a suggestion, and this is the input basically. The red things, the red product names suggestions, as you can see over here, they will become green next time if I save them as it is now, or even if I select, like for Aldonil tablet 10s, if I select plus Aldonil plus tablet, then you just have to confirm twice, so that just to be sure. And afterwards you'll see, okay, the plus has come over here, and then you can save the file. Now let us come to some manual features which will help the user uh, to perform more efficiently and more fast. Let us go for remove row button. So here we have given the remove row button. So you can see that I have removed two rows one by one. So okay, it is evident here that it is starting from 3, so 1 and 2 are removed basically. And if sometimes if the user wants to delete multiple rows at one instance, then we can go for this checkbox selection like this. Okay, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. I want to delete these rows, so I'll just click over here, delete rows, and as you can see that 5 is only remaining. 5, after 5 the 9 is basically the ninth product is showing from the file. Uh, Now after this, sometimes what happens that some products are missing from the file, or for those occasions what we have done is we have kept the manual entry button, so that the user will be able to enter enter any product into the system, regardless it is in the file or not. So I have just have clicked to the manual entry, and it has come over here, 50th row. You can see this is a blank row basically. So after clicking here also, we have given the same feature to uh, the application, that if you select like any product name, then you'll get the product code, and vice versa is also true. So let us let us fill some fields over here. As I have previously told you that we have kept some fields necessary, that you have to enter the values in them, as well as you have to choose the headers. So these are the fields basically. And we also have basically shown the division wise product data. For example, if a user belongs to one division, and the file has basically the data from 2 3 divisions, then the user will only be able to see the products and the data from his own division only. uh, so yes, that's basically that's basically it. Now let us go for submission, and if you click the submit, the data will get submitted, and you will get this success report, OCR entry number with you will get basically. And you can click OK. After clicking OK, you will see that we have come to the landing page again. So this was the basic representation of one punch in automation system. Thank you.